There's a few things you should know before we get started. First of all, it can be really overwhelming trying to understand the thousands of features that your camera has to offer. So here at Camera Camp, we teach the foundations of photography, which are true to any DSLR camera. That being said, make sure that you're watching the videos that apply to your Canon or your Nikon. We divide the videos into 4 sections because within Canon and Nikon, there's basically 2 levels. There's a pro level and more of an amateur level, and the buttons are slightly different within each level. Another thing to keep in mind is that it's important to watch the videos in order. The information builds from video to video, so if you skip around too much, things might get confusing. We also recommend that you download the Camera Camp Guidebook. The Camera Camp Guidebook will have the information that you see on the screen. That way you guys can print it out and take notes as you watch the videos. Take your time. These videos are here for you 24/7. There's no reason for you to rush through them, and make sure you understand one concept before you go into the next. And the last thing, of course, is be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter. We would love to stay in touch with you guys and see your photos especially. So be sure to find us at facebook.com/cameracamp and twitter.com/cameracamp.